Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you currently decorating your garden and would like to have a pool extension to support your birdhouse, bird feeder, or bird bath? If you're currently looking for a pool extension because you have an old, rusty one, then you're definitely on the right website. We would like you to know about the 12-inch pool extension for bird bath. This is a 12-inch pole extension which can be fitted to a bird bath. This pole extension comes in black powder coat for the elegant looking finish. This item will fit your garden, lawn, patio, or yard. Here are its technical specifications. Dimensions are 4.75 by 3.75 by 16. Weight is 9 pounds. Color is black. Grab the 12-inch pole extension for bird bath today at a very affordable price and have an elegant looking pole extension for your priced bird bath. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.